Yeah, the reason I bought the Virnig V70 disc mulcher after a lot of research is the build quality. What I've put this thing through so far, look at the paint is still beautiful. The build quality, everything is so heavy duty. It's an amazing piece of equipment. I am running this thing to the max and it's not missing a step. It screams quality. And like the old adage is, buy cheap, buy twice. This is amazing, this thing. After using this, I am so glad I chose Virnig and the quality, because the recovery time, if the thing slows down, and it takes a lot to do it, is hardly much of anything. How it's revitalized this field alone is, if you could be in my house and look out at the river, it was obscured by a bunch of trees and brush and this and that. We went over it with the V70 and the V60. And as you can see in the pictures, it cleaned it up so beautifully, as good as it's ever been that I've ever seen. The only unsightly thing that I don't like is the traditional way of clearing land. And as you can see, the burn piles, and they're gonna sit there either till this winter, if they burn, or like the logger said, if they don't burn this winter because they're too wet, it'll be a 2-year wait for those things to be dry enough to burn. Yeah, the reason the Quadco disc is so important to me, because it seems like in my vast research with these mulchers, all the top end manufacturers use a Quadco disc. And it's so robust. It has the ability to have so many different combinations of teeth on it for your different applications. Like, we're a bit sandy here with a tiny bit of rock. So the good configuration for me would be carbides on the bottom, beaver teeth on the top. And as you can see in some of the videos, the beaver teeth on the top chew through the trees, either whether I'm cutting them down or mulching them.